This is Medieval Madness, and we learnt about different types of castles and how they were built, why they were built, and like the different kind of ways, and like all the weapons that they used in those times. I think my favourite part was getting to build the actual castle out of cardboard. Because we got to design it all by ourselves, and at the end we get to try to destroy each other's castles.
So over the term we have been learning about medieval weapons. We have learnt about a trebuchet, a battering ram and a ballista so far. The trebuchet was used to launch heavy rocks at castles to destroy them. The ballista was used to impale enemies, and the battering ram was used to bring down heavy doors. The favourite part during the spark was probably getting to work together with my teammates and build the castle. That was quite fun.